This is our EZread CVC Make a Word photo card and letter tile kit. This kit is great for any science of reading program or any phonics reading program and will make a difference for readers and struggling readers in any class. The kit comes with these laminated cards, so you can use them with the letter tiles or dry erase. And students can play with the letter tiles. They are color-coded, consonants in black and vowels in red, and they can build out the different phonemes and the different sounds of the CVC words. So here you'll see cat, C-A-T. So there's a nice picture clue using real photography that will help the students see which sounds they're looking for. So this is going to be great for ELLs, for new readers, and also for struggling readers because they have all of the scaffolding built right in. On the back of each card, you'll also see that it's self-checking, so it will have all the letters right at the bottom here. So your students can do this activity independently in a center, and it will help build their confidence.